Hi everyone, my name is Talin Solanki and I'm telling you how can you move, scale and rotate object in 3ds Max. So first of all, you have to create an object. Now you have to select to move tool from toolbar. Now you can move your object on any axis, x axis, y axis and z is height, z axis. Now we are going to rotate your object. You have to select a rotate tool from toolbar. Now you can rotate your object on any axis. Now we are going to scale your object, so you have to select scale tool from toolbar. Now you can scale uniformly all axes at a time, and if you want to scale only one axis, so you have to select y, so you can scale y axis, x axis and z axis. So thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe.